Hi folks, and welcome to this video presentation today of this 2019 Heritage Glen. It is a newer product that we started carrying here at Guaranty. We're real proud to carry it. It's a great product by Forest River, and this model is a 24 BHHL. It does end up having the upfront Murphy bed design to it, so we'll show you that interior feature. It's kind of pretty cool for extra space and family sleeping. This will have one slide out in the middle area right here, so right there where your U-shaped booth is. You're going to have kitchen, all that's nice and easy to access right here. It's got good shelving area inside that. Nice counter space. The drawers that are full extension out there on those, which are nice and deep. Then you've got this kind of farm design style sink here, so it does end up having a nice space in there and nice size faucet there and nicely made. Quality. Your TV entertainment center you can manage from here, extra more space, some more storage, and you do have some additional pantry space down below here and access underneath the booth if you need to on a couple doors there they have under the seats. When you're inside right here, this is a fresh unit for us. It does end up having your rod here, so you do end up having a tub in there. It has a lot of the books and stuff that just came in. This is a new product for us. It's kind of cool to have. You end up having your surround there, your toilet and your sink with a little bit of storage around that for putting things on as well. And this right here is more for putting things in as well too. And here, instead of having a medicine cabinet, that's their design. That's a new feature there for them. You end up having your double over double beds areas in the back here. So looks like they're pretty good size. You do have a good size refrigerator that looks like it could be an 8 cubic foot, but we would make sure you can call that number at the end of the video and ask me questions. I'll be able to answer for you. Tom.Peterson. So that's a good size there. It's got an optional or upgraded glass on here. I like that real well for your extra workspace, as well as nice finish and easy to clean for that. And your nicer, newer look on that with that glass see-through on the oven is nice. When we go back over here to the feature that's pretty important, and that's going to be your couch during the day here, and then your bed folds down for when you want to sleep at night. You can see you've got a big medicine, or at least a big nightstand on both sides here. You're going to have your hanging space there, most likely on both sides the same, correct? Yep. So you'll have all that, and there is going to be also a curtain that comes with it that comes across here, so that you can have privatize that off for the parents at night. And again, nice design with this is it does have a lot of counter space on the inside. So a little skylight above our head as well too adds a lot of nice natural light in here. So as we go outside, we'll have our grab assist handle, but also a nice platform step. So this has the solid step design that will fold back up into the doorway out of the way, but makes it nice. A nice big wide entry door as well, which is pretty cool. And a grab assist handle. Your spread axle helps a little bit for that weight distribution, a little bit less tongue weight up front on the hitch. This does have the optional underneath that lower bunk inside. This does have the slide out sink, and let's see, that will have your hot and cold and water there. You can kind of lock that on the outside position. There's a little bit of a storage area above here for some other items. And then you'll have the little refrigerator. This has this grill as well, so it'll swing out here and you'll be able to work in that area there. It's got a nice big patio awning, which is nice as well for extra workspace. And then you've got, like I say, that grill there, spare tire. Area here for where your shower can be, and also your sewer flush and your city water supply there for your fresh water. Actually, fresh water connection. That's interesting here why I have portable water. Interesting to find out why we got 3 there instead of just the normal 2, but one's the fresh water and then one's the city water connection, so must be for when you're filling the tank. They must have it that way designed, so instead of having to actually fill it up with a hose. So you hook it up there. As we get back around to the front of that, this 2019 does feature a little LED accent here. This nice cap on the front is nicely molded. It's very strong. It does have a power tongue jack. your double tanks over here up front, room for 2 batteries up front as well too. So, you know, the Heritage product is a new addition here to Guaranty. We're really proud to have it. Forest River's a great company. They do great jobs on their products. If you have any questions at the end of this video, of course, give me a call. My name's Tom.Peterson, been here 28 years, would love to help. And remember, at Guaranty in Junction City, it's an RV show every day.